Before we talk about talent management, we need to dig the word talent and management individually. So the question is, what is talent? Talent can be defined as an ability of a person to learn and grow. It is a natural skill or aptitude of a person to be good at something, especially without being taught. Like some people have talent to memorize things better. Some have talent to swim better. Some can sing better. The important point to remember is that everybody is talented in some way or another. But your organization needs your talent specifically to achieve its goals. In corporate perspective, an ideal condition is that your talent has to be aligned with your job. So the organization needs to identify and manage the talent of individuals and align that talent with its goals in order to be successful. That was about the term talent. Now, we are heading towards the definition of talent management. So what is talent management? Talent management is a management skill to attract highly skilled and performing employees, integrating them with the current employees of your company and developing them together to achieve company's goals. And specifically, HR department or HR manager is responsible for continuously attracting the new talent, hire them and then retain them, so that the organization gets the benefit of their talent in order to achieve the business goals. This whole process is called talent management. I would like to elaborate it further. Suppose Mr. John is recently hired in X company through company's recruitment process. He is well experienced and had a history of success. He started to work in this new company. After a while, John feels that his talent is not being recognized here, and he has been assigned with the work which doesn't fulfill his potential. He is doing his 9 to 5 job but losing his purpose and sense of achievements. John tried to communicate with higher management and specifically HR. But due to poor talent management scheme, John got frustrated and planned to switch the job. After a while, John switched the job on account of the frustration that was being building up inside of him. Imagine the loss of both company and John. Company lost its valuable asset which could bring value to the company if used properly. And on the other hand, John became demotivated in his career. All because of the unavailability of talent recognition and management system. Before we talk about the implementation steps of talent management system, let's discuss the benefit of it in the told story. In the told example, the company lost its valuable employee. But what if the company hire a bad employee, huh? In either case, the company will have to bear the loss. Hiring the bad person or losing a valuable person both go against the interest of your organization. And from here, we feel the need of such a system that is effective in managing the most important resource of the company, which is human resource. In next slide, we will discuss more formally the need of talent management system, the kind of system that will help out in attracting and acquiring the best talent, hire them, develop them, motivate them, and retain them so that the company gets the benefit of it. Now we are understanding the concept of talent management. Here are the reasons in a nutshell why it is necessary. Number 1 is to attract the best talent by creating strategic plans. We will discuss the recruitment methods in detail in this course. Number 2, to improve the workplace and make it great in order to attract the new talent. When your organization is considered as a good place to work, it will attract more and more talent and more people will want to work in your company. Who doesn't want to work in great companies like Amazon, Apple, Google and Microsoft? These companies are big brands and they attract the best talent in the world. Talent management is a broad field. It involves employer branding as well on bigger perspective. Number 3, identification of leaders at different level and their development. Talent management helps you in identifying your leaders and their development at a different level. Number 4 is to channelize the potential and energy of your talent in the right direction. If you can't manage their potential and energies, it will go wasted in doing the things which are not significant for your company.